This year, in the regions of Southeast Asia, including the Mergui Archipelago, has not been like any other. A particular climatological phenomenon occurred in early 2020. Known as the Indian Ocean Dipole, it thwarted the plans of many divers in this part of the world. The Indian Ocean undergoes yearly changes in surface temperature referred to as the Indian Ocean Dipole. This occurrence was discovered in 1999 by climate researchers. It alternates between three distinct phases: positive, neutral and negative, which reoccurs every 3 to 5 years. These phases affect the weather systems in the surrounding land and water masses in different ways. The neutral phases bring warm water from the Pacific Ocean through Indonesia and westerly winds along the equator. This warm water keeps temperatures relatively normal across the tropical seas. This season, we have experienced the most extreme positive phase of the last 6 decades. The positive phases make westerly winds weak along the equator, allowing warm water to shift towards Africa. Changes in the winds also allow cool water to rise up from the deep ocean in the east. This sets up a temperature difference across the tropical Indian Ocean, with cooler than normal water in the east and warmer than normal water in the west. We are on a particularly positive phase, the strongest of the last 6 decades. With the cold water coming from the depth, comes a lot of sand and nutriments, making the visibility very poor. This season we experienced a recurrence of what we call the green monster. A cloud of poor visibility water coming towards you. This season may have brought rare conditions including cold water, poor visibility and strong thermoclines. But the forecast for the coming 10 season is very good. With warm water temperature and good visibility coming back. The nutriments which came from the depth are also sure to bring even more marine life to Myanmar beautiful dive sites.